Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video, we will understand how you can change the logo of your WordPress website easily, step by step, without any problem. But before starting up, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more such useful videos. So here we are on our WordPress website, and in order to change this logo, this is our website logo. And in order to change this logo, we just need to click on this button that is called customize. Guys, the theme which I am using right now is Extra. So in Extra theme, most of the templates which are coming with Extra theme have this common, procedure to follow. And most probably almost every theme has the same feature until and unless the header is built with Elementor separately. So you will click on customize button. So click on customize button. Once you click on customize button, you will be redirected to the customization window of WordPress. And here, if you hover on the logo, you will see a pencil icon here. If you click on this pencil icon, that is called edit button, you will see the current logo here, and just below the logo, you have two options to remove this logo and to change this logo. Either you can click on change logo directly, or first you can remove and then you can select a new logo. So let's just remove it. And now here option says select logo. Click on this. Now you need to select the logo which you want to upload. So here I need to upload a file from my computer. So I have uploaded this logo. This is my logo which I need to upload. First I will just select it. And you can see there is a feature called crop image. So as you can see on my screen that in my logo, there was so plenty of white space above and below the logo. So that's why it is suggesting me to crop the logo so that no extra space is required. Even if I want to crop more, I can do like this. And it is a very handy feature in WordPress so that you can crop the image or adjust the image on the go without any third-party tool. So this is the part which I want to keep. Now click on crop image. And now image is cropped and you can see the logo is changed. Sometimes you will also find an option for that is different logo for Retina devices. So in such cases, you need, if you let's say want high resolution logo, or if you want to set up a different logo for Retina devices, then you can switch on this option. But in my opinion, you should always use one logo for every kind of screen to maintain your brand presence and symmetry. And here just below this option, if you want to decrease or increase the height of the logo, you can just simply perform this action by using this option, right? But by default, if your logo looks good like this, then you are not supposed to change this setting, but you can do that. There are other options as well, like site title visibility, inline logo, tagline visibility, and other options. But I will talk about these options in my upcoming videos as and when required. This video was about how to change the logo, and once you're done, just click on the publish button. And once the changes are published, just close the window, and now you can check that your logo is updated. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, you know the drill. You need to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever we upload a new video on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.